Hello everyone, how are you all? Lenovo is teasing Lenovo Z6 Pro with exciting features. So this camera phone is coming with some unique features that is not there in the other camera phones. So Lenovo Z6 Pro will be coming in the month of April or June. Lenovo has not confirmed it, but it has been teasing the unique features of this phone. So one unique feature is Lenovo Z6 Pro is going to have a hypervision camera that can shoot pictures up to 100 megapixel. So this 100 megapixel can be achieved by using some software trick, that is some software enhancements are made to make it possible that it can take pictures up to 100 megapixel. So another unique feature is hyper video. This hyper video is a technology using which the video can be transferred at the higher rates compared to the normal video transfer. So these are the two unique technologies that we can find in Lenovo Z6 Pro as per the teasers. Lenovo Z6 Pro will be powered by Snapdragon 855 processor. It is the second Lenovo phone which will be powered by Snapdragon 855. The first was Lenovo Z5 Pro GT, and it was the first phone in the world to be powered by Snapdragon 855 processor. So this is regarding the camera and the processor. These details are revealed in the teaser images, but the other expected features with respect to display or battery has not yet been revealed by Lenovo, but we are expecting, as it is a premium phone, the display will be an OLED display and battery will be around 4000 mAh battery with fast charging support, reverse charging support and wireless charging support. So these are the expected features in any premium phone. So these are the most expected features that may come with Lenovo Z6 Pro. The release date is not yet been announced by Lenovo, but if the rumors are to be believed, it is expected to be end of April or May. So in June you will be able to buy this device on the online stores. So this is all about the Lenovo Z6 Pro. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe my channel. Do support, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.